This is a stem, and the stem is solid. So this is a stem of plant, and the stem is solid. This is a stem, this is a stem of the plant. The stem is not solid, it is hollow. ಇದು ಟೊಳ್ಳಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಂಡ. ಖಾಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ, empty space you can make out in the center. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು hollow ಅಥವಾ ಟೊಳ್ಳಾದಂತಹ ಕಾಂಡ ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. This is a hollow stem. Now flower is solitary, means a single. It is cymose. It is cymose. Cymose means the main axis of the flower ends. The main axis of inflorescence terminates or ends with the flower. It does not continue to grow, unlike racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, main axis continues to grow. This is hibiscus flower. It's a cymose inflorescence. The main axis of cymose inflorescence ends with a flower. It does not continue to grow further. This is the main axis. We have here calyx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this side 6. There are 6. And the sepals are fused to form a cup-shaped structure. So here this condition is called as gamocephalous condition. It forms a cup here. Sepals fuse and form a cup. This condition is called gamocephalous condition. And this calyx is persistent, and it means it remains even along with the, it does not wither off or fall off from the fruit, from the flower. It will remain attached with the flower. It will remain attached with the fruit. Even in the mature fruit, we will find in a brinjal, that green part, in a brinjal of violet colored brinjal. You can imagine in that violet colored brinjal we will have that green cup shaped structure. That is nothing but the calyx, persistent calyx. So this is about the calyx. Normally we have most of the plants coming under the Solanaceae. There are 5 sepals. Okay, since it forms a cup, so arrangement of the estivation of sepal is valvate. So look at this white colored flower with the orange color. They are nothing but the stamen. So petals are 5. We have 5 petals. 1, 2, 3. We have 4, 5. There are 6 petals, but in Solanaceae other members we find 5 petals. There are 6 petals. So we have discussed just now, there are 6 sepals. Similarly, we have 6 petals here, and these petals are also they are fused. They are fused at the base here. They are fused at the base. You can make out here base. They are not The sepals are not separate, they are fused. The two petals over here, this is one petal, this is one petal, the two petals are fused. So again here the margin of this petal is in contact with the margin of this petal, there is no overlapping. So again the petals show valvate estivation. Flower is said to be actinomorphic. What is actinomorphic? If flower can be divided into two equal halves by a radial plane passing through its center. Here, flower can be divided into two equal halves in any radial plane that passes through its center. So, this flower can be divided into equal parts. So, in this plane, it can be divided into two equal halves in this plane. So, it can be divided into two equal halves in this radial plane passing through its center. It can be divided into two equal halves along this plane, radial plane that passes through its center. Similarly, it can be divided into two equal halves along this plane. So, this flower can be divided into two equal halves by any plane, radial plane that passes through its center. Since it can be divided into two equal halves by any radial plane that passes through its center, such kind of flowers are called actinomorphic flowers. So here is the stamen. So again there are how many stamens we find here? So we had there six sepals, green colored sepals, now 6 petals, and the stamens are again, whereas stamens are only, we have here 5 stamens. So we have here 1, 2, 3, this side 4, sorry 6, here this side 4, and on the other side 2. So again stamens there are 6, so we have here 6 in this plant. The flower has 6 petals, 6 sepals, 6 petals and 6 stamens, and in the center we have here so this is a stamen, the member, that is member of androecium, or androecium is made up of stamens, and in the center we have gynoecium, white colored gynoecium with the green colored tip. This is the gynoecium. So this is the style. This is the white colored is style here. Okay, and this is the stigma, green colored. Now here if you see the stamen, so this stamen, then let us see the base. This is the base. So the base of the stamen here, so it is green colored, it is attached to the petals. So this condition is called epipetalous condition.